Beautiful, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Jeannie. I'm so glad you stopped in, and I hope by the end of the video you would decide to stick around. I would love to have you here. We do all of the fun things, unboxings, giveaways, try-ons, reviews, everything beauty. We do it over here. For today's video though, we're gonna get into my BoxyCharm Premium for the month of October. This is a Tarte Takeover box for BoxyCharm, and this was actually sent over in PR. I typically get the base box in PR every month and the Luxe box on the Luxe box months, but I don't typically get the premium box, but they were so gracious to send it over to me this month. So thank you so much, BoxyCharm. I really do appreciate that. So yes, this was sent over in PR. I have already uploaded the base box. If you want to check that out, I'll have it linked in the description box below. That'll be my PR base box for the month of October. And I also want to let you know in the same breath that I do speak of and review each and every box as if I'm a paying customer, because at the end of the day, I am. I purchase a base box and I also purchase a premium box. I had no idea that they were going to send me a premium box in PR. So same as it goes with my base boxes every month, the products that I get that are duplicates from my base box, from the PR to the paid for, and again for this box, because I will have a paid for version of this coming as well as the base box. All of the products that are duplicates I will use for a giveaway here on the channel and allow one of you to get a chance to try the products. So that is what we do for that. And other than that, let's get into the BoxyCharm box. So if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription box where you get beauty products sent right to your door. There's a base box, there is a premium box, and every once in a while, we get a special box within the premium that is called a takeover box. And that means that one brand takes over the whole box, and this time it happens to be Tarte. I think the last time we had a takeover box, it was Anastasia Beverly Hills. It was a great box. But so yeah, this month we've got a Tarte premium box, and then on every quarter we also get a Luxe box. So within the premium boxes, even when it's a takeover box, you get 6 to 7 full-size products and you get to customize too. When we're talking about PR variations, we do not get to customize. So the one that gets sent to me later in the month that I paid for, I did choose 2 products, but for this one, I did not. And if you see me in the same outfit for the next couple of videos, that is because I got these boxes together, my base box and this box, and I just sat down to film the unboxing. I want to let you know that I will do a complete try-on video. It will be separate from this unboxing video, and it will be coming up within the next couple of days where we will sit down and try this whole box of products out together and create a whole face of Tarte. So this is the card that came along with the box. It's going to have all of the products in my variation along with just BoxyCharm times Tarte. So there we go. The first product in the box is the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. It retails for, is that right? $39. I thought it said $19. It's been a long day. I worked all day. It's late at night, and I thought it said $19. I was going to say, dang, that was going to really surprise me, but $39 seems more on target. I want to say that these boxes came earlier, and I did try this moisturizer on today underneath my makeup, and I actually really, really like it. It's a very light gel-like moisturizer. Let me just, whoops. Okay, so let me just show you the texture on that. It also has a very, very light, almost like herbalish scent. Nothing over the top, but it absorbed into my skin beautifully. And it's just a really good pre-makeup moisturizer. Especially, I think that if you are on the oilier side, you will probably really like this. I am definitely not. I am a dry-skinned type, but I still really enjoy moisturizers like this for pre-makeup moisture. So loved that. We'll try it again on the try-on video. Next, we got the Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. It says it's got a retail value of $30, and it also says that it's a BoxyCharm exclusive, meaning that it was made for BoxyCharm. This is what the outer packaging on the palette looks like. So we've got white and gold, which is really pretty. Although I do have to say, I don't love white packaging on makeup, because when we're doing our makeup, like our fingers get in the makeup sometimes, and then it can leave like ugly fingerprints all over the packaging. So I don't really love white packaging for makeup, but I do think that the packaging is pretty. Now, when it comes to the palette, it is a 9-pan neutral toned palette, and I would say that this is a true neutral toned palette. It's not too cool toned. It's not too warm toned. There are some cooler shades and some warmer shades, but to me, that is a true neutral palette. It's like right in the middle when we're talking like cool tone, warm tone. It's just like neutral. It is. It's a neutral palette. I love neutrals. A lot of people, I have heard people say that they weren't excited about this palette when it was shown in spoilers because they thought it looked boring. It actually looks beautiful in person. This color here is stunning. It's like a rose gold, and I feel like the camera just does not pick up the true beauty on it. I don't have any Tarte eyeshadow in my collection, and if you know what my eyeshadow collection looks like, it's crazy to think that I don't have anything from Tarte. In fact, I don't have a lot of Tarte in my collection at all. So I'm really excited to get to try this. There's another look at the palette. And again, we will do a full try on of everything in this box within the next couple days. But the next product is the Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener. Retails for $25. So it looks like it's a dual-ended product. A black liquid liner on one side. And then it says brightener. I don't know if like this would be used for like a waterline or like under the eyes. I don't know. I'll have to look this up online before we do the try on and see how this brightening part is supposed to be used. But I'll check that out. I'll take a look online and see what it says before I film the try on. And then however it is meant to be used, we'll go with that. Next, I got the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. Retails for $24. This is not a new mascara to me. I haven't tried this mascara in a while. I have tried it before. It does have super cute packaging, but I remember not loving it for some reason. I don't know if maybe the formula seemed wet or it was like, this is what the wand looks like. So that is one reason why I wanted to open it, get a little bit of air in it. I do not like overly wet formulas. And there's a lot of times where I will try a new mascara for the first time and think, I hate this mascara. And then I'll throw it in my drawer and try it 2 weeks later and end up really liking it. That's because some air has gotten into the formula and dried it out just a touch. So we'll see how I feel about it because I haven't tried it in a long time. We'll see how I feel about it in the try-on video. But I just remember it just not being, like, I don't think that I thought it was, like, awful, but it just definitely was not ever a favorite of mine. But I will say Tarte's sister company, Sugar Rush, has a hemp mascara. It was like Sugar Rush. Man, I had it in my collection. I ended up having to declutter it because I used it until it was like dried out and old. But that mascara was fabulous. Absolutely loved it. I'll have to look it up and I'll tell you guys what it was on the try-on portion because I just can't remember the full name of it at this point. But so we got the mascara. Next, we got the Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm. It retails for $21. Mine is in the shade Orchid. So I am really excited about this. These Maracuja Juicy Lip products have been blowing up all over TikTok. That is what the outer packaging looks like. And it's actually like a lip balm that clicks up from the bottom. That is the shade on Orchid. So it actually looks really pretty. I'm just kind of curious to see how much color it gives. So it's a little more, that's more than a wash of color. Like, so it does give color. It's got a very light, fruity-ish scent. But yeah, so that is Orchid. It does look very juicy. I love a good gloss. So I'm actually really excited. I actually really wanted to try the Maracuja Juicy Lip. Was it like the lip glosses that blew up on TikTok, or was it this? I don't know. But I was like dying to try it. So I'm actually really excited to give this a go. And again, of course, we'll try all of these products out. Okay, and then last but not least, this is the Breezy Cream Blush, retailing for $24. Mine is in the shade Pink Sky. So I actually do have some of their Breezy blushes, but let me show you what I have. This is the packaging, the outer packaging, just a very basic Tiffany green, but also very pretty. This is a cream blush. The packaging does come with a mirror, and this just kind of looks like a mauvey rose, mauvey dusty rose neutral kind of blush, which is always good. You can always use something like that. Let me see. Okay, so I need to do some reorganizing of my products here, but I do have a palette that it is like two of their Breezy cream blushes and then also the cream bronzer all in one. Kelly Strack always raves about that, where it's got the blush, that product that I'm talking about that I have. I just don't know where it's at the moment. So I am familiar with their cream blush formula, the Breezy cream blush formula, and I think that it's really nice. This says that the shade is Pink Skies. I would have expected Pink Skies to kind of be like an airy pink and not like a dusty rose, but it is what it is. I mean, the name is what it is. I do know that it's a good formula, and this is a shade that I can definitely use, so I'm really excited. I know I also picked the blush for my paid for box, but I don't know what shade I'm going to get. If I picked a shade, I cannot remember what it was. If it is the same shade, then it'll just go to one of you when it gets here. Because again, I had no idea that I was going to get this box in PR. I knew I would get the base box, but I had no idea I was going to get the premium as well. So yeah, that is, now that's going to drive me nuts because most of my cream products are in this top drawer and it's not in here. So I need to go on the hunt for that little palette with the two blushes and the bronzer from Tarte. It's one of the only Tarte products I have in my collection right now. Now I've got some more, but prior to this box, I just don't have a ton of Tarte. So I'm excited to give all of this stuff a go. I can't wait to try it here with you. And definitely keep your eye out for my paid for unboxings this month, because I'm pretty sure there's going to be duplicate products and we will definitely do giveaways with those. But till then, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful. I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.